As we inch closer to the official launch of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, the excitement and speculations are already in full swing. Recently, a series of leaks on the Chinese social media platform Weibo have provided us with tantalizing glimpses into the much-anticipated book-style foldable phone specifications. Cutting-edge innovations, the next big fold. According to tipster Setsuna Digital, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to dazzle with a host of remarkable upgrades. This includes a redefined hinge mechanism, a superior main camera, and improved water and dust resistance capabilities. These enhancements promise to set a new benchmark in foldable phone technology. Design and durability, built to impress. Samsung's commitment to innovation is evident in the Galaxy Z Fold 7's design. Featuring an upgraded hinge and internal structural enhancements, this device aims to deliver a seamless and robust user experience. The underscreen camera and the overall water and dust resistance have also seen significant improvements, making it a more resilient companion for your adventures. Power and performance, under the hood. While the battery capacity is expected to remain consistent with the Galaxy Z Fold SIX's 4,400 mAh battery, the real game-changer lies in the device's processing power. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is rumored to be powered by the formidable Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy SoC. It will be available in 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB storage options, each paired with 12GB of RAM to ensure a blazing fast performance. Pricing and availability, worth the wait. Speculations suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will maintain a similar price point to its predecessor. The base model, 12GB plus 256GB, is anticipated to start at Rs 164,999. Mark your calendars, as the Galaxy Z Fold 7, along with the Galaxy Z Flip 7, is expected to be unveiled in July at Samsung's second Galaxy Unpacked event of the year.